Hey there! Want to know what could potentially make you a nice profit? Well, get ready because we're diving into the latest Bitcoin and Ethereum news, and let me tell you, it's exciting. Bitcoin's price could potentially skyrocket to $82,000 soon. That's right, $82,000. In this video, we're breaking down the market trends and key levels you need to watch. Will Bitcoin break through resistance and continue its upward trend? And what about Ethereum and Solana? Stick around because we have some trading recommendations and considerations for you. Whether you're into crypto or just curious, this video is a must-watch. Don't miss out on this potential profit opportunity. Let's get started. Let's start with a quick look at Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin has been showing some exciting signs in the market. Over the past few months, we've seen it go through ups and downs, but overall, it's been trending upwards. This means that despite some short-term drops, the long-term outlook for Bitcoin looks positive. Bitcoin has always been known for its wild price swings, and that's part of what makes it so interesting. Recently, it's been hovering around key price points, teasing a potential big move. Many experts are still bullish on Bitcoin, meaning they believe its price will increase over time. This optimism is based on several factors, including strong demand, limited supply, and increasing adoption. But what does all this mean for you? Well, if you're thinking about buying Bitcoin, it's crucial to understand where it's heading. That's where watching key levels and market trends comes in handy. It helps you decide when to buy, hold, or sell. So let's dive into the critical price levels to keep an eye on them, which could signal a big move soon. Now let's talk about the key levels for Bitcoin. These are important price points that traders watch closely because they can indicate major market moves. The first key level to watch is around $72,000. If Bitcoin can break above this level, especially with strong trading volume, it could signal a big bullish trend. This means the price might continue to rise, potentially hitting new highs. On the flip side, we also have to look at support levels. Support levels are price points where Bitcoin tends to find buyers and stop falling. Right now, a major support level is around $60,000. If Bitcoin falls towards this range, it might bounce back up as buyers enter, but if it breaks below this range, we could see a more significant drop. Another important thing to watch is the 3-day chart pattern. There's been an ascending, broadening wedge pattern forming. This pattern can often indicate a big move coming. If Bitcoin breaks out of this pattern, especially above $72,000, we could see it shoot up toward the $82,000 target. That's a big move and a potential profit opportunity for traders. So these key levels, both support and resistance, are crucial. They help us understand the market's mood and potential future movements. Keep an eye on these levels to make informed decisions about your Bitcoin investments. Potential bullish breakout. Now let's talk about the possibility of a bullish breakout for Bitcoin. A bullish breakout happens when the price breaks through a resistance level and continues to rise. In our case, the key resistance level to a watch is around $72,000. If Bitcoin can close above this level, especially on a 3-day candle, it could be a strong signal that the price is about to go much higher. Why is this important? If Bitcoin breaks out, the next major target could be around $82,000. That's a big jump from where we are now and could mean a lot of profit for those who are invested. This potential move represents about a 28% increase, which is significant, especially if you're trading with leverage. But remember, for this to happen, we need to see a strong breakout with high trading volume. It's not enough for the price to just touch $72,000, it needs to stay above it. This kind of breakout could signal a new wave of buying, pushing the price even higher. So keep an eye on this level because it could be the start of something big. Let's look at where Bitcoin stands right now. The market has been a bit choppy lately, with the price bouncing around different levels. Currently, Bitcoin is trading near some important resistance levels, but it hasn't made a decisive move yet. We're seeing some hesitation in the market, with prices hovering close to resistance without breaking through. On the daily chart, Bitcoin recently attempted to break above $72,000, but didn't quite manage to stay above that level. This has left traders wondering whether we'll see a breakout soon or if Bitcoin will face another rejection. The good news is that Bitcoin is still making higher lows, which is a positive sign. It means that even though the price hasn't skyrocketed, it's still generally trending upwards. Another thing to consider is the overall market sentiment. Many traders are still bullish, but there's also caution. People are watching for clear signs before making big moves. This cautious optimism means that while there's potential for a big breakout, we could also see more sideways trading or even a short-term pullback. Ethereum analysis. Now let's shift our focus to Ethereum. Ethereum has been a bit quieter compared to Bitcoin, but it's still important to keep an eye on it. Right now, Ethereum is moving sideways in a wide range. It's bouncing between key support levels around $2,800 and resistance levels between $3,900 to $4,100. This sideways movement means there's no clear trend up or down at the moment, but don't let that fool you. Even in sideways markets, there are still opportunities. For example, traders can take advantage of the volatility within this range. If Ethereum breaks above the upper resistance level, we could see a nice upward move, possibly heading toward $4,100. On the other hand, if it breaks below the support, there could be a drop to the lower $2,800, or even lower. One thing to note is that Ethereum's market sentiment is not as strong as Bitcoin's right now. The interest seems to be more cautious, possibly because of the ongoing updates and changes to the Ethereum network, but that doesn't mean it should be ignored. A sudden spike in interest or a big market move could quickly change the picture, so keep an eye on those levels for potential trading opportunities. Solana analysis. Lastly, let's talk about Solana. Solana has been showing some interesting price action lately. It's currently facing a strong resistance zone between $204 and $209. This area has been tough to break through, with several rejections in recent months. Despite this, Solana's trend and momentum still look bullish. If Solana can break above the $209 mark, this would be a significant bullish sign and could attract more buyers. However, if it fails to break this resistance, we might see a pullback. The major support area to watch is between $155 and $160, where the price has bounced before. Overall, Solana seems poised for a potential breakout. But like always, it's essential to watch for confirmation before making any moves. When it comes to trading, patience and careful planning are key. Always use proper risk management, like setting stop-loss orders, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The market can be unpredictable, so it's crucial to have a clear plan and stick to it. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto news and analysis. Before you go, be sure to check out the video that's popping up on your screen right now. It's packed with great information to help you understand more about trading and the market. Don't miss it!